Hi, in front of me is VIVO X51 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off notifications from an app. Start by opening Settings. Then choose Apps and Notifications, Notifications and see all from last 7 days. Over here pick an app, for example Google, and tap on the switcher next to it. All notifications from this app are now turned off. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also click on Most Recent and pick one of the options, for example Most Frequent, to see from which app you get the most notifications from. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!